disguised in regalia and making the most of a
So guys, this is my finished makeup. I hope you like it. It's quite late because it's 11 p.m. and I have to be quiet. So I hope you like this video. Let me know if you like Huda Beauty Cosmetics and Anastasia Cosmetics, and you can comment down below what are your favorite products to do this kind of makeup for the party. This is my first video in English, so I hope you understand everything. You can subscribe my channel and see you next time.